Every EzyCourse site has its own EzyCourse address. You can see this one here is demo3.ezycourse.com. But what if you wanted to use your own domain name instead of the ezycourse.com domain? Well, that can be achieved with EzyCourse's custom domain setting. In the dashboard of the EzyCourse site, go down to Site Settings and click Settings. Under Site Details, the site name would be the name of your site. That could be your company name or your product name, whatever you're going with. And next to it, you can see the EzyCourse site address. If you scroll down a little bit further, there's a custom domain section. And this is where you can tell EzyCourse what the custom domain you're going to use is. So I've typed in my custom domain into the box here. I could click Save, but before I do that, I need to change the settings for the domain that I'm going to use. To do that, you'll need to head into your hosting provider's domain DNS settings. These will look different depending on where you get your domain from, but the general way they work is the same. Now, there are a couple of options. I could use the root domain and use this address here as the address for my EzyCourse site. If I wanted to, I could create a new subdomain. So let's say I could have courses.alphadeltaweb.co.uk or online.alphadeltaweb.co.uk. For the purpose of this, I'm going to use the root domain. Now, it's important, if you have any IP addresses set up on the domain already, you remove them. Next, we're going to set up the CNAME record for that root domain. You can see there's already some CNAME records for this domain for a variety of different subdomains. You'd create a new CNAME record with a subdomain if you were using a subdomain for your EzyCourse site. We're going to use www for the root domain. We're going to choose CNAME. And just to remind us what we need to paste in there, we're going to go back to the EzyCourse site, copy this value, and paste it into this box. And then we click Update DNS. Back on the EzyCourse site, we can now click the Save button. A message has appeared saying the domain update has failed. This is likely because sometimes when we update DNS records for our domains, they take some hours to update. This varies on a range of factors, and it's difficult to say exactly how long your domain will take to update, but we usually say it will be updated at the most within 24 hours. If your domain fails to update, it's just simply a case of waiting some time and then returning back to this screen and trying again. EzyCourse works with the www version of your domain. It's important that you read this message carefully. Sometimes people might visit your site by just typing in the address without www. Your domain provider should be able to support you in creating a forwarding or redirection from your blank domain to your www domain. Your domain provider will be able to support you with setting this up in your own control panel. Feel free to contact the EzyCourse team with any questions, but there is something else that's worth taking a look at, and that's the EzyCourse redirect tool. You can find that on the EzyCourse.com website under add-ons. The EzyCourse redirect tool makes it easy for the non and www versions of your domain to work just as they should. We've now waited for our settings to update, so we're back in the EzyCourse dashboard in Site Settings, and we've clicked on settings, we're now going to click the save button for the custom domain. You can see the domain is now ready to use and we can visit the site using the new address. So let's put that to the test in a new window. And there we can see the custom domain is working successfully on the EzyCourse site.